Continuation of previous class. Using operator commands. You can also use functions to perform arithmetic operations. We have sum function, difference function, product function, quotient function, remainder function. First one is sum function. The sum function is used for adding two or more numbers. For example, if you want to add two numbers, say 50 and 30, then write the command as pr space sum space 50 space 30. Logo will print 80 as the result in the recall list box. You need not write plus sign between two numbers. Write print space sum within the capital letters and then write the two numbers with a space in between. If you want to add more than two numbers, then enclose the operation sum and the inputs in simple brackets. For example, if we write the command as pr space within the brackets sum space 20 space 30 space 40 space 50, logo will print 140 as the result in the recall list box. Next function is difference function. The difference function is used to subtract one number from another. For example, if we write the command as pr space difference space 50 space 32, logo will print 18 as a result on the screen. Product function. The product function is used for multiplying two or more numbers. For example, if we write the command as pr space product space 50 space 10, logo will print 500 as the result on the screen. If you want to multiply more than two numbers, then enclose the operation product and the inputs in simple brackets. For example, if we write the command as pr space within brackets product space 5 space 6 space 8 space 7, logo will print 1680. First, 5 is multiplied with 6. We get 30. Then 30 is multiplied with 8. We get 240. Then 240 is multiplied with 7. We get 1680. That will be printed in the recall list box. Next function is quotient function. The quotient function also takes two inputs and both of these inputs should be numbers. It divides the first number by the second and gives the quotient as the result. For example, if we write the command as pr space quotient space 50 space 10, logo will print 5 as the result on the screen. Remainder function. The remainder function takes two inputs and both of these inputs should be numbers. It divides the first number by the second number and displays only the remainder as the result. For example, if we write the command as pr space remainder space 50 space 6, logo will print 2 as the result on the screen.